it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be Perrie's bounce back doll look. I hope you guys are looking at it and loving it. I'm really actually enjoying it. Like, it's a really small lash and stuff for me because you guys know like a big lash, but I think it's kind of cute and I love the way it turned out and I let it go on my teeth. But if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys. So I've already, as always, done my eyebrows and primed my eyelids. Of course, today I made my eyebrows a little bit thicker because Perrie's notorious for a thick brow, but I've done them my way. You know, I like to have them filled in a little bit, but I've made them a little bit bushy because Perrie is, you know, she's got the bushy eyebrow look. So I used an Anastasia Perfect Brow, I must have whacked myself in the eye, didn't see that. A Perfect Brow Pencil from Anastasia, the Faint Eyeshadow from the Naked Basics palette, and then some brow gels, a tinted one, and a clear one. So that's what's giving me this look, and then of course I've primed my eyelids with the P. Louise makeup base. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, we are one member down. It's very sore, don't know why I just tapped it like that, but I lost a nail and it was like all, it was a mess. So that's what this is if you're curious. Okay, looking at Perrie's eyes, I see a lot of pastel but not very vibrant colors on the eye. The liner is very blue, the lashes are blue, but also black. So I think she's got blue mascara on her actual lashes and then the lash on top, and she's also got a lower lash under there. Now, I will not be doing a lower lash because that ain't the look for me, but I will put a lot of mascara on down there. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this Morphe palette. It is the 35B palette. I believe it's discontinued. The first thing I can see is just a regular transition shade in just a light brown. So I'm gonna take a JH34 Morphe brush, just like a blender, and I'm gonna go in with none of those shades actually because there's not like a good brown in there. I'm gonna go in with the Iconics palette from LMX, and I'm gonna take this baby right here. Whoa. Which I believe, no, I'm gonna say this is Catching Fire. And then I'm just going to whack this into our crease. I'm blending up because there's the brow bone here, so I'm blending a little bit up. Okay, so next we're gonna throw on the lid color, which is like a baby green. I was gonna say blue, green. So I'm going to take a little flat packer brush. This is a Morphe 166 brush, M166. This green right here, but it is very vibrant, so if it's too vibrant on my eye, I'll just put a bit of white over it to mute it a little bit. I'm just going to tap this over, and then I'll tap a little bit of white over it. I think this colour from the Alien palette is way more like it. Alright, well, I'm going to go in with Abduction from the Jeffree Star Alien palette because it looks way more like the colour that Perrie has on. So I'm going to do that instead. But I have to go back into this eye and do the exact same thing I just did, otherwise my eyes won't match. I'm then just going to take that transition shade again and just soften it out. Okay, now we got Jaundice. Okay, so our next shade is Pink. So I'm gonna take this guy right here. I'm gonna take that on a smaller fluffy brush. This is an M456 brush. I'm just gonna take this shade, and then Perrie's got it tucked in here. So it's on the crease area, but not really on the green. So tuck this color in there. Every step I'm going back into that original transition shade just to make sure everything's like seamless and like not just like color. Now we'll come back to that pink shade because she does have it running under her lower lash line, but we've got to work on the blue right now. So for this blue moment Perrie has, I'm sure that Heidi, when she was creating this look, had some sort of blue liner, just easy, but I don't have a blue liquid liner as such. But I do have a lot of Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, and those are eye safe, so let's just put that on our eye, shall we? I have a few choices of blue. Now hers seems to be a little bit more kind of periwinkly, Perrie hair. So I'm gonna mix a few of these together and hope that I get a color similar. And I do have my Jeffree Star Drug Lord, which is just white, to mix. So I'm gonna start with this color. This is Diamond, rest in peace Diamond. But this is like a periwinkle. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Then taking Jawbreaker. I just bought my Jawbreaker this morning. Then I also have Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is a more Tiffany blue color. That in. I'm gonna see what these make as one right now. I'm just gonna use the brush I will be using, which is just a little tiny angled brush. And mix this together and see what we get. So it's looking like this, which is a really cute color, but it seems a little dark. So I'm gonna throw in a bit of this Drug Lord. And that seems more accurate. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean off my brush a little bit. So now we're gonna work on the winged liner. Now Perrie's is connected to her waterline, so I'm gonna start with my waterline. I think that might be a smarter idea. Now remembering this is lipstick, so it's gonna run really fast and it might hurt my eye, but things we do for a tutorial, alright? I'm gonna take a beauty blender right here and quickly run that in my waterline. Oh, it's in my eye. It's really in my eye. So this is where I'm at right now. I have my blue waterline in. So now I'm gonna create this wing. So, following it out. Okay, so we're looking kind of crazy. Now I'm really looking at this picture that LMX put on their story, right? And correct me if I'm wrong, but there's some sort of dark blue right on the lash line. So what I do have, a royal blue liner, liquid liner, royal blue. I have a L'Oreal Infallible royal blue liner. And then just blue mascara, which we'll use in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of this pencil liner because I feel as if I'm able to. So I'm just gonna run this this is blue mascara. This is NYX Worth the Hype blue mascara. So we are going to chuck this on. For the lashes, she has on the off-duty lashes from LMX. So we're gonna put them on. Okay, so I've thrown those on and they don't look anything like the ones that Perrie had on the top. I think that she has the off-duty lashes as her lower lash line. So I might put on a different lash at the end, see if I can turn it around upside down, because these don't look like Perrie's ones she has on. I think she has her own ones on the top, but I'm actually out of her lashes. So that's helpful. They are blue, so I'm gonna throw on some of that blue mascara that I have on my real lashes onto the fake ones. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go do my face makeup like I always do, and then we'll come back and we'll play around with this lower lash line-ish and highlight, and then put a lip on and we'll be done. So I'll be back in basically 20 minutes, but about 0.5 seconds for you. Okay, we're back. So I've got my face on, foundation, powder, concealer, all the things, okay? So now we need to work on this lower lash line. Now, Perrie's blue goes underneath as well, but I don't want to put liquid lipstick under there because I feel like it will take forever to get off. So I'm just gonna go in with my Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star and just play with some colors until I find one exactly like that. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Blue Blood, which is this one. I mean, that's pretty spot on. It just needs a little bit of like white to it. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of this I'm Cold color because it's just a little light, and I'm just gonna whack that on too. Wow, this is coming together. Okay, then right under that, she's got that pink color we were on about before. So back into this. I just now realized that I could have used the blues from this palette, but I didn't because Jeffree Star is my bae. So I'm gonna take this lip brush, it's just a random run. And then I'm just gonna take those colors again that I have right here. And Perrie's just literally goes right underneath that. So and it kind of just fades away at the end. Okay, and then Perrie right here has her lash line, fake lashes. I cannot speak today. She has her fake lashes down here, bottom lashes, lower lashes. Oh my god. I just got this new mascara. It is Skinny Mini by Australis. It's like the Clinique lower lash mascara. It's like a super tiny one, which I feel as if it's gonna be perfect for this. So, let's put it on. Now I'm also just gonna clean off this mascara one a little bit and dunk it into the blue one just to make it a little bit blue, because I can see blue on Perrie's lower lash line, so we've got to put that there too. Bring the bounce back. Okay, I'm really super happy with how this is turning out. I was gonna swap lashes and everything, but it's actually working out in my favor. All that's left now is to do some highlighting and my lip. So let's do my highlighter first. Okay, so as I see on here, Perrie has a very icy highlighter on. So I'm gonna just throw on a little bit of Jeffree Star Ice Cold highlighter. I feel like you were really in my grill for a minute, or the whole video probably. Now I believe Perrie doesn't wear as much highlighter as I do on a daily basis, but you know, it's me, so I'm making it me, but also Perrie. Now this lip Perrie has on looks very, you know, like dainty pink. So I'm gonna take this Coco K Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and use that for my lip liner. Duh. Okay, so I've just filled it in as well. Now for the actual lip color, I don't know what I'm gonna put on. So I have the Coco K from Kylie Cosmetics here, which is the lip liner I just put on. And then I'm just gonna lighten it because Perrie seems very light and baby pinky light. So I just take my Drug Lord. I feel like everyone needs a Drug Lord, needs this lipstick, Drug Lord, in their makeup kit because it just alters any lipstick to like the perfect shade they need. Like I have two. Like I'm obsessed with it. And then, because Perrie's lips look glossy, I'm gonna throw on a Jeffree Star The Gloss in Control Freak. Final step, a little spray of the face, we're done. So, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. Let me know down below who you think is gonna be next. It's kind of a little, maybe a little obvious because Lee's was a doll look, Perrie's is a doll look. What's coming next? So, yeah. If you like this tutorial and you think I might recreate that, please tag me in your looks. I would love to see them. And stream bounce back and download bounce back. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Spotify, all of my socials. They're all linked down below and on my end card for your convenience. And make sure you subscribe to my post notifications on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bang, bang.